It's better way.
Go.
We're going to gym, like today we're hitting chest and back. This is Arnold split day.
We're here with Mark and Jan.
Party, let's get this.
Alright bro, what are we doing now?
Finish your exercise for your, chest muscles, It's good because, when you do it, you're gonna like get a good stretch, you get a good pump.
ja see peaks olema nagu bare minimum, et seda identifitseerida naisena, et sul peaks tulema nii suured pekid, vaata.
Jah, ma mõtlen ka,
Oota, ma fokusseerin.
nüüd me teeme upper chest'ile, teeme ülesse fly'si.
Alright, let's get this.
It's like a paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the bass inside is right beneath my skin.
Look at this upper chest now.
What the fuck?
Sigma. This is like massive, bro. You know what's more massive? Low taper fade. yeah, like it is still massive, bro. Like
It's still massive.
Sitting in the dark, I can't forget. Even now I realize the time will never get. Another story of the bitter pills of fate. I can't go back again, I can't go back again. But you asked me to love you when I did. Trading my emotions for a contract to commit. And when I got away, I only got so far. The other me is dead. I hear his voice inside my head. We were never alive.
Nüüd me siis teeme weighted pull-up'e, alustame warm-up'iga, ehk siis teeme tavalisi pull-up'e veidi ja siis paneme 10 kilo juurde.
Ma proovin ka, vaata.
Yes.
I can see my life flashing before my
Explain the exercise now.
Põhimõtteliselt me teeme middle backi, kui sa võtad laialt, siis sa tunned middle backi. Et me teeme lihtsalt tavalisi rowsi, sest meil on pull down movement tehtud. So now we're hitting some middle back. See on hea vaata, kui sa tahad 3D backi saada.
Yeah.
Let's get this.
Let's get this.